Hello, my lovely children. So, today we are going to learn how to make a rose. So, first, draw a one. You can use direct sketch pen or you can draw using pencil. Now, draw a curve U like this. Now, we will join this point with our U and this point here like this. I hope you are drawing with me. Now we will draw a reverse V on the top. Now here what I'm going to do is just draw a curve, upward curve, and then a downward curve. For second leaf we will draw from bottom, downward curve and then upward curve like this. Now your rose is ready. Let's color it. So here I am using this bright pink color. I'm using the sketch pen. You can draw color using the pencil color also. Now I'm using both the colors. First I will do the light green color. Then I will do the outline, this stem with the dark green. I hope you enjoy this simple drawing. Bye bye.